Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to fix Cash App blocking your payments. First, open Cash App and go to your profile at the top right. Then select Security and Privacy. Here, look for Verify Identity. If you haven't verified your identity yet, verify first before trying to make a payment. Verifying your identity ensures that your account can send and receive larger amounts and avoids blocks from the app security system. Next, check your linked cards. Go to the linked bank section in the app settings. Make sure that you have enough balance to cover the payment you want to make. Also, check that your linked debit card is not frozen or expired. If needed, try removing the card and re-adding it. This often fixes payment errors related to the bank card. After that, check your limits. Go to the limits section in your account settings. Verify your spending and sending limits. Accounts that are verified usually have higher limits, and this can prevent Cash App from blocking payments. If you follow these steps, most payment issues will be resolved. Thanks for watching.